Today, we're going to build a submarine using 8 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to build the submarine from the front to the back. And the front of my submarine is going to be this 1x1 round cone piece. And the 1x1 round cone is my front of the sub. The next thing I'm going to get is a 1x1 round brick. And I'm going to put that 1x1 round brick into my cone piece and just give it some length. And now on that brick, that round brick, I'm going to get a 1x1 round plate with 1L bar. And I'm going to put the plate into the back of my 1x1 round brick with the bar facing up. So this is going to be the top side of my submarine. So when it comes out of the water, that's like the little periscope that comes out of the water. Now, behind this 1x1 plate with the bar, I'm going to get 2 of these more 1x1 round bricks and just put those in the back because I want to extend that back way back. And now the next thing I'm going to do is grab a 1x1 round plate with open studs. You need a hole in that open stud, in the hole in the stud, and I'm going to put that plate into the back of my 1x1 round brick. And the reason I want an open stud 1x1 plate is because the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get one of these like bar with, I think it's a light bulb cover or a light bulb, like bar with light bulb. And I'm going to put it so that bar goes into the back of that 1x1 plate and stick it all the way in to kind of round out the back of my submarine. And so here's the body of my submarine. Now I got to make that top. I want to extend that, make a little bit of a top of the submarine where they're going down below decks. And to do that, I'm going to get this 1x2 Technic lift arm piece. And I'm going to put one of the holes of that Technic lift arm onto that bar from the 1x1 red round plate that's sticking up and have it go backwards. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that this is the front Technic pin and there's the back. And when I push it down, it's going away from the front just because I want a little more space in the front and then in the back. So I just want to do that to make a little off center. But here is a Lego submarine ready to dive the ocean depths. Dive, dive, dive!
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.